Watch. And the world, it's not a plan. You know, hear me? A franchise is choosing one. The 10-star general. And you know, anytime I come forward, you know, a loud explosion thing. You know, I'm not laugh with it when necessary equipment drop, right? What? So you first and foremost, I'm going to say, big up the world boss every time. So, I done see say, the world boss and Popcorn and Jack here, the man them say Argentina them a bring. Well, me not gonna lie, you don't know you have some wicked baller play for Argentina because you don't know the great Diego Maradona and now you have Messi. But them don't know a Brazil my rep. You see what I deal with? And a lollipop thing. You hear that? What? So you know today, a Brazil day, so I have to come shoot up a review today and you don't know, say, I not go OD, nah, I not go overdrive. But through a Brazil day today, you don't know, say, a superpower day that I go on a super drive. What? So here me say, first and foremost, big up Gaza Sparta. Awesome performance, me youth. Me you shell along the place. Wicked. And me tell them already, say see that thing there on the stage at the moment. Me tell them I hear a thing. And them not believe me. Anywhere at the four corner of Jamaica you go, them can't keep no show and put your pan it and you not deal with it, so. You know what I mean? You're in the people, them art youth. And that's why I tell you what you say, Tamil, here what go on. Just blast up some tune and send them go a road because you're in the people, them art. And me and you don't know the reason why you're not there on the top of the pinnacle. We know a dirty bad mind Babylon boy a fight against you. You know what I mean? That's why you're not there on the top of the pinnacle. So, I now watch what them say because I don't know. You think mad on me and hear me and tell you see that song the way you drop over there, it don't bad. It's skillful, you fuck. One of the skillfulest songs me ever hear your blood clot though. You know what I mean? Half of Brazil you cheer for. Eh? Oh, you so skill youth. You're too skill, man. What your name? Skill Archie? What? You know what the general, the 10-star one, right? Alright. So, I shoot up a review over there, you see me? And I look a man who claim him come from MVP, him say him name Ghetto Youth, you see me? He might tell me, say me and Ear to Boss are the same thing. What I mean by that? I say me and Ear to Boss, I mean like, I know you don't have no two man alike. I know that. Not even identical twin. You don't have people who resemble people, but you don't have two same man alike that. So get your thing together, you know what I mean? Or you mean that the way me and Ear to Boss set it, a Gaza gun we use and make it, we shoot up the whole of YouTube. If that you talk about, you're so fucking right. That's what we do. You know what I mean? We bust we gun hard for Gaza on YouTube and a lollipop thing that. And everybody know that. Watch. But let me tell you something, get to you. You're coming on my inbox. You see me? And I talk about say, I for stop the review in a people house. I for stop talk about fish tea. Let me tell you something, man. You're brambles, man. When you talk about your ghetto youth, I'm a real ghetto youth, because I want to tell you something. I see him fish tea do that. You hear that? I put same name ghetto youth and I do that. You hear me? Same blood clot fish tea do that. Because I see, it was a MVP man who do that. Him uno coming on my inbox and I tell me them things there. Be a suck mad and this and that and all kind of stupidness him would have talk about. So I know a fish tea hide himself as ghetto youth and I beg me for blood clot stop deal with him on YouTube. Well, anytime you want me stop, you hear me? You stop chat about blood clot Gaza, because you hear me say that from January 1st, you hear me say that. If you walk me a mouth about bumbo clot Gaza, another right thing you do. I'm a size 10.5 Timberland down your blood clot throat. Instantly. No lollipop thing. You hear that? Watch. And you tell me about me come out of my friend them house and stop the review. More you look here, you know, ghetto youth. Ghetto youth, look here. Who that ghetto youth? Ghetto youth, who that? Eh? You know, say the blood clot 10-star general that on him family, dog. You sick in your head or what? Look good ghetto youth. Who this? Who the fuck that? And that's the 10-star general of them family. A long time me a gun it, you know. A long time me a bun it. A years me have been doing it. What the fuck you talk, boy? And that's the 10-star general of them family. Watch this. My girl pretty plus my style it sick. Me shell on YouTube cause my style is stick. The girl them have a crush like biscuit. Treat me like lipstick. Watch. The general 10-star one, you know, in a full effect. And you know, anytime I come, you know, I know lollipop thing, boy. You know, anytime I come, you know, a loud explosion. So let me tell you something. Fish tea did I chat up in mouth and say, Movado don't know, say him know what go on. And I tell him, say, look, I know the man them still hold on for Movado youth. You know what I mean? That mean a Movado them want. The man them slap five charge pan the youth because them well want Movado come. Because Movado them want put that pan, you know. But me don't know, say the gully God, I take care of business because I know anytime him come, them boy, they go hold him for a minute. So I deal with him thing them out the road. That mean him think them can go and shot. Meanwhile, him can't, them hold him because I have to serve my pray because I know say him love him youth. You see what I deal with? And then a lollipop thing. But where am I say? Because I not follow fish tea them, you know. Because them boy they are baby. You see me? Them boy they are tomatoes, or that family is tomatoes them there. You hear that? So you hear me I say? Right now, you know, me I chat to YouTube, you know. You hear me I say? What kind of thing that the system a bring? Pan a look at you. Me not say a look at you like that can commit such crime or whatever, you know. But check this out. Are the bumbuckler Gully God son? You think Gully God would allow that for happen, my virgin, or no family member of the Gully God would allow him look at you for get himself in a thing like that? Yo, let me tell you something, man. Yo, me know them say them want the Gully God and then them would do anything, you know, for ass cloth, hold on upon the man, you know. But at the same time, you can't do that to the local youth, you know, my virgin. So where you want do? Turn this local youth in a monster, that you want do. I hear that thing that the court system a deal with, you know, my virgin. You should have been let go the local man, the man local youth already, you know. You should have been let go the man youth already. I hear that thing that you know do. Me don't ever rate that. That come like when you're in the ghetto, my virgin, and I deal with gang war violence, dog. And the man, them lick down a local man from half of the block. And then some man from half of the block, you say, right now, we're going to step back on them and anything you catch on the block, you lick it down. Or you lick down a man family and a man lay with your family around there and bust back him head. You see what I deal with it? I saw the police, them I deal with it. You can't deal with that. When you say, you know, protect life and property. I hear that thing that, my virgin. That no look good, my virgin. That no look good. I remember me tell you don't God do that enough for feel full for your own curiosity, you know. But remember say other people are watching you, know, virgin. I remember say not like one time, you know. Remember the internet they bought and it show all over the bumbuckler world, you know. People are watch them type of thing there, you know, dog. What kind of idiot move that, my virgin? I idiot move that them I make. I make me telling you something, you know. Get a youth to have to go start rise up, you know, my virgin. For real, you know, not for start rise up and all, you know, own, you know. The man them for wait till when all election come, you know. When election come, you know. All 1 minute them take for count the box them, you know.